Hello guys, this is George from TeckWrap. In this video I'm going to show you how to apply TeckWrap matte PPF over this Audi A7. Now we're going to do the front fender, so make sure you clean it properly. It's very important we decrease all the edges, make sure it's all properly clean, and then we apply the solution on the panel and all behind the PPF as well. We place it, make sure we have enough extra everywhere. We're gonna apply some solution over it as well. We're gonna start always from the flat side, so we're gonna do the flat side and the top corner. I'm gonna use the steamer. I want to hook the PPF behind the top corners. I'm applying some soap and water and also using the steamer, and now I'm gonna squeegee all the solution out. I'm gonna apply some more solution. I need to stretch the PPF towards the front. Now we can do some relief cuts. Same thing, we're gonna apply some more solution and take it all out. All the way to the bottom, I'm gonna lift it back up, apply some water for a better tack. Using the steamer for the corners to hook the PPF behind. Now I'm cutting against the headlight, so I'll leave enough excess to cover all the edge. I'm gonna use this tacking tool to tuck the PPF under the rubber for a full coverage. Now once the edges are dry, we can use the glove and stick them properly. So there we have it.